So there's only a limited amount of spots available and they're all sold out at the moment, but one of my goals is to increase the spots once I get more patrons, more crafty rebels as I like to call them, and eventually my ultimate goal is to open it internationally as well, so people all over the world can receive some Rebel mail from me. So anyway, I thought it'd be fun to show you what I did for the first month. I put together a Folio mini album and I made a little kit to go with it. The theme for this mail is all heart from crepe paper, and so I have some extra washi tapes that I thought I'd share from the collection. I also created a custom sequin mix. If you guys know, I have a shop called PAPERCAKES and I do sequin mixes that are very custom and very unique. And so I made one that has the colors from the collection, and I think it's gorgeous. I love these. I played with some of my new sequins that I got that I haven't added into my shop just yet, and they're so pretty. So I made a sequin mix that goes with the collection, full of wood veneers. I have some hearts, stars, birds, and some butterflies, and I think these are so cute. I love these because you can color them up with pen markers or Sharpies and stuff like that, so you can always change up the color. You can heat emboss them with some glitter embossing powder or any other embossing powder you have, so they're very customizable. So that is going to be what's included in this little pouch here. So I thought I'd show you how I'm going to package them by just showing an example on screen. So I have this, and then add some washi tape from the collection from All Heart to close it off. Okay. So I've also created handmade embellishments from the collection. So this is just a Polaroid from the cut apart sheet. I added some iridescent twine, and then I made some of those like award ribbons here, and I used the chunky heart on some of them. I think it's so cute. This is the project. I also have a full sheet of bling, and these are so cute. They remind me of the Sunny Days ones that came out with Maggie Holmes' last collection, and I had to get them for my Rebels. I think they're so fun. Every mini album is made differently, and I'll show you the rest. This is what it looks like when they get it. So I have included a Crafty Rebels badge I printed out as a sticker for them, and then I have a full sheet of alpha stickers here. They are very pretty light gold glitter that matches the collection nicely. And then I have a little mini embellishment kit here full of stuff from the collection. I have die cuts, I have the chipboard pieces, I have the puffy stickers. There are some stuff from my stash like this butterfly, some tags, some cut out lawn fawn hearts that I made, and just a bunch of fun goodies in here. Each mini album comes with their own unique little goodie bag. And then this is the album. So how freaking cute is this? Not only will it come with the goodies inside, once I take out the goodies, they'll be able to use this as a mini album. And this one I created for one of them that has a baby daughter, and I thought this would be really fun to add photos of her, because it's I Think You Are Magic, and I Love You, best friends. And then the Hey Girl was kind of where I was going with that. So I think it's really cute, and I just added some chipboard from the collection. This is a die cut that I popped up. These are letters from Maggie Holmes, and this is actually from the 12 by 12 sheet that I cut apart because I just wanted a bigger hairbrush. So I think this is really cute. Let me zoom in just a little. So I made 4 photo mats with the 6 by 8 pattern paper, and I rounded the corners, and it just tucks in like this. I did back up this tag from the collection on an iridescent tag that I had gotten from Michael's. I added some twine here. I made some flies with the scraps of the paper, some puffy stickers. This is a chipboard piece from the collection, some layered scraps here. And then I did include some glittery tabs in some of them. So I think this is really cute. They're both different sizes, so one smaller than the other, and it tucks right in perfectly. So yeah, that's my first mini folio, and I'll show you the other ones next. So this is the second one I created, and it's so pretty. I layered some of the paper, another iridescent holographic tag. This is from the cut apart sheet. This is a chipboard piece. You can see I used a lot of the collection, the puffies, the stickers, the chipboard, some bling from my stash. and I love how this turned out so much. So here are the other embellishments I made. I used those flower stems. I really like how that looks, and I cut a little piece of scrap paper to make it look like faux washi holding down the little flowers here, like just to kind of like mimic that look of pressed flowers held on by washi tape. And then here's another medallion that I created. Again, you can see that heart is really dimensional, and I did add some iridescent twine here. I think it's so cute. So this is what the inside of this one looks like, and I think this was really cute. I added some bling to the little cat eyes. I thought that was so fun. She can take them off if she chooses to. But anyway, so here I used a die cut from the collection, some scraps of paper, some stickers, enamels, dots, and then again 2 photo mats here. And I tried to alternate the patterns and stuff. So, and I forgot to mention, I did stamp on some of the tabs. I think it adds a nice little touch. I have a ton of roller date stamps now, and I want to use them up. So on this side I have this one here. I thought that they can obviously put a picture here or little 2x2s or something around here, and maybe keep that around if they don't want to cover that up, or you can add photos in the back. You can do journaling in the back. There are many different ways to use these photo mats, and here is the second one. And on some of these that have the glitter tabs, I added a sticker from the collection because obviously I can't stamp on it. So I thought this was really cute. It has room to grow. I made a gusset on the spine, so if they want to add more photos or more photo mats, they can do that. Here I have a die cut from a cut apart from the collection. This is also a cut apart that I just matted on some glittery cardstock, a sticker, puffy sticker, and then some enamel dots again. That is the second folio. Let me know which one is your favorite. So these stickers are from Sunny Days, but I thought it went really perfectly. I added some iridescent washi tape, puffy stickers. This is an actual sticker from my stash that I just thought it would match really nicely. A flower sticker. So when we go inside, this is what the inside looks like. So here are my other embellishments that I made. This one here is my favorite. I love it so much. This butterfly is also from Sunny Days, but I think it matches this collection perfectly. So that's a little medallion. And then on this side, I added a die cut, a cut apart. I added some Wink Estella to her hair, a sticker from the collection, and here I have a sticker that says real life. And then I stamped what a day here on these 2 photo mats. And then here I stamped be brave and a little asterisk. And that's what the photo mats look like. And then here I did another holographic tag, a cut apart from the collection, a sticker, some washi to match the washi on the outside. And the last one I made is this one, and it's so cute. Scrap from another project that I worked on. So I just layered that on the little triangle scrap. I added some flower clear stickers here. This was just lying around in my stash. It's a really pretty iridescent kind of sparkly bling from Prima that I've had forever. And then this is from the collection. It says girl, so it says girl, you are gold. Added some of these peachy enamel dots, some fabric flowers that are really, really cute. The inside looks like this. Here is the other embellishment set that I made. I had this little floral thing in my stash, and I love how it kind of mimics the sunflowers here. So I added it there, Pursuit of Magic, some really pretty bling. And then this one's one of my favorites as well, another butterfly. This is from the All Heart collection, again some iridescent twine, and I love, love, love these so much. So this is the inside. I layered the roller skate with this little die cut that says I'll be a dreamer until the day I die and dream on, and I just made a cluster around it with some bling. The photo mat here, this one says happy as can be. And then this side we have some scraps, another cut apart, a sticker that says be happy, some clear stickers here. Photo mats look like this. Make a fun little cluster around it. And then here I just added the sticker that says life is good, and I wanted to kind of like offset it, so I put it a little bit lower to create a layering effect. And that tucks back right here. Really cute little folios. I love how these turned out. These are so much fun to make. I've had this idea for a while now, and I'm so happy that I got a chance to play with the new All Heart collection and make these folios. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to join my Patreon, I'll have the link down below. It's a great community where we all get together and talk and just have so much fun together. I hope you guys can check it out. And like I said, there are no more spots available at the moment for the Happy Mail tier, but if you do decide to pledge to my Patreon, you'll be one of the first to know when I do open up the spots for more Happy Mail. You can always go up and down in tier levels anytime you like. If you pledge at any other level, you can always switch to the Happy Mail level once I have spots available. And like I said, my patrons are going to be the first to know when there's new spots. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to package up the box. I'm reusing this Tombow box, and I'm just going to line it with some crinkle paper. It's all mixed, and that's fine with me. We add some iridescent shreds here. And I went ahead and wrapped everything in tissue paper, and I'm using one of these stickers from my stash. It's kind of like my logo. Yeah. So I'm just going to add some more little frilly bits. I'm gonna reuse these sequins. I printed out a list of what's included in this mail, kind of like one of those subscription boxes that people get. I really like that idea. I love that concept. I've always wanted to create my own subscription boxes, but anyway, so I just talk about what's included and then the name of the sweet treat, and that's just gonna go on top. And yeah, I think it looks really cute. So this is how I'm gonna be packaging this month's Rebelle mail. So thanks again for watching. If you have any questions, let me know. Give me a thumbs up if you like this project, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!